Come test drive the 2015 Infiniti Q70L. The luxurious Infiniti Q70L offers plush interior accommodations and a spacious interior cabin. Passengers of the Q70L will feel like they're riding first class all the way. Enhanced agility and safety protection features fill this luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.